Hi guys, David Aldridge here. Welcome to Knocking on Heaven's Door guitar tutorial. This song is originally by Bob Dylan and is the perfect song for the beginner guitarist and consists of 4 chords. You'll get to impress all your family and friends with this one. I appreciate you for taking the time for being here today. So let's jump straight in. Show you each chord and where to place your fingers, and you can also follow the chord boxes that are on the screen. So we're going to, first of all, find G. So the 3rd finger goes here, the 3rd fret, little finger at the 3rd fret. 2nd finger goes on string 6 at fret 3, and then the 1st finger goes on string 5 at the 2nd fret. On this chord, we want to strum all 6 strings. Okay, there we go, that's G. And then we're going to change to D. And what we can do here is we can leave the 3rd finger down because that's already in the correct place. I refer to this as an anchor finger. And then we're going to place the 1st finger on string 3 at fret 2. And then the 2nd finger is going to go on string 1 at fret 2. Now on the chord of D, we strum from string 4 only. Okay, so the next chord is A minor. So we're going to place the 1st finger on string 2 at fret 1. Then the 2nd finger is going to go on string 4 at fret 2. And then we're going to tuck the 3rd finger underneath on string 3 at fret 2. And then we want to strum string 5. And we have the chord of A minor. So just one more chord left to do, which is C. So we're going to place our 3rd finger on string 5 at fret 3, and then our 2nd finger is going to go on string 4 at fret 2, and then the 1st finger is going to go on string 2 at fret 1 like this. And we're going to strum from string 5. Okay, so let's jump into the next part of the tutorial where we're going to piece all that together. So we're going to do 4 down strums on G. Then we're going to change to D, and you can see here that we're going to keep this finger on the 2nd string, and we can just fall onto D, just making sure we're strumming from string 4. So 4 down strums on D, and then we're going to change to A minor. Another set of 4 on A minor. And then we're going to jump back to the chord of G. And then changing to D. And this time we're going to change to C. 2 sets of 4. So that's the chord progression sequence all the way through the song. So you might want to just practice that first of all, just cementing those chords. But what I'm going to show you now is a strumming pattern that can be used for this song. Consider giving us a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps to support future videos and build a community of people just like you who feel like they matter. Also, we have more videos at davidguitarcoach.co.uk. I hope to see you there. So we're going to keep with the 4 down strums, but after the 4th down strum, we're going to add an up strum like this. Okay, just play along with me if you can. I hope you had fun as I taught you this song today. Remember, you have what it takes to be good at guitar. There are more videos at this level in the link below. You can also visit my website now and get access to my online courses.